Hey guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Okay, now these are the ingredients that I have. I had some chicken. I didn't have salmon because I always love salmon fried rice, but I don't have salmon, so I made some baked chicken, made some rice. The rice I cooked yesterday and let it sit. It's always best to use rice that was cooked before and then use it the next day. And then I also have some onions. I have some peas. You usually have carrots and stuff, but I don't have carrots, and I'm not gonna go to the store and go get none. We got some soy sauce, some of this sauce, and I'll be using the egg. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and mix up everything. Let's see how it come out, y'all. This is gonna be my first time making chicken fried rice. And I don't know if I said I got peas. Okay, I'm gonna cook the egg first. Okay, the egg's done. I'm going to spray the pan with Pam. Okay, now I'm going to cook the vegetables. Okay, make sure the vegetables looking good. Again, you're supposed to use carrots if you want to, but I don't have carrots. I'm using what I got. Okay, I should cook the chicken. I'm going to cut the chicken up. Okay, the chicken is cut up, and here are the vegetables. So we're about to add the rice. Go ahead and put a little bit of oil in your skillet, just a little bit, and we'll go from there. Use too much oil. I put the oil in there, and now we're about to add all of the ingredients. My pup back there whining. She think this for her. Every time I cook, she think it's for her, especially with chicken. She loves chicken. I don't give her chicken like that, but she love it. Let me know below if your dog like chicken and she loves salmon. Make sure you clean up as you go, okay? So you don't have a bunch of stuff to clean up afterwards. Add the rice. Make sure it's kind of on medium to low, and everything else. Again, the rice was cooked already. Make sure it's cooked already. Mix it up. I am using chicken thigh this time, but you can use the breast. All my stuff is cooked before I mix it up together, okay? I like to mix all my stuff up together. Now it's time to add the sauces. And it smells so good, so good. And you also can use the green onions too. And always make sure you're trying it to make sure it tastes good, okay? Don't just serve it. Always try it first. Okay, now we're going to add just a little bit of this. And then add your soy sauce. And once you add the soy sauce, that's how you get that brown consistency. Keep on whipping it up until it turns all brown. And a quick tip for the rice to taste good, again, cook it the day before. Let it sit, put it in the refrigerator, and then cook it afterwards. Don't try to cook the rice today and make it. It don't taste the same. So guys, it is done. Here we go. And I can't wait to eat it. So again, guys, try use some shrimp. Shrimp. You can put shrimp in it too, whatever you want, but try you this and let me know below if you make it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. I mean, y'all, she over there, yeah, she is so funny. She is over there just sniffing, and just licking her lips. She just know this for her, but unfortunately it's not for her. But I do have her some food. Listen to her. Pretty excited. I am done making my very first homemade chicken fried rice. I usually eat salmon, but I didn't have no salmon, so I just made the chicken. And you also supposed to put carrots in there, but I didn't have no carrots, so I made it work. But here we go. Just wanted to show it to you. Let me know, guys, below. Have you tried to make your own fried rice, and how did it come out?